So now we're going to set up the environment. I'm going to use the VS Code and also generate the project. I'm going to use a dev container because I don't want to use I don't want to install the Node.js on my host machine, but you can do it on your host, so you don't need this. The only thing you're going to need to install is the Node.js and also these two packages, so Yo and generator easy UI5, to generate your project. This one is optional. This is for the files to automatically beautify using the file that SAP provides to beautify our project. And I also advise, if you are using VS Code, to install this extension. And this one is optional. This one is to beautify our code. So I'm going to start by building the container. So it's going to take some time to install everything, or maybe not, because I already had the container, the image built, so I needed just to create a container. So we are already inside, and before we start, I'm going to also install some extensions that I like to have in my environment. So it's going to be git graph, it's going to be the markdown lint, and the synthwave theme. So what I did is optional, you don't need to do it. I just like to have them. And now we can start by generating the project. So in this page, we have the plain app template that just says that to create or to generate our project, we just need to run this command. So let's do it. This part is going to take some time, so let's just wait. Okay, so now that it's completed, we can put our namespace. You could just put the name of your project. I want to put my GitLab account plus the name of the project. You also later can change it. So if you are not happy with your namespace, of course, it's going to be a lot of work, but you can do it. So this seems right. And I'm going to use OpenY5. But if I was in my company, I would use SAP Y5 since we have every component, but now I want to use open source project. Or maybe not open source, but the license, it's more open. So I'm going to use the latest version. I'm going to use the correct name of my account. And I want to generate the project in my current folder. And also I want to create the Git repository. So also this part is going to take some time too. Okay, so now that the project is generated, you can see that you already have a commit, so the initial commit created by the generator. Honestly, I don't know what is this folder that they say for us to add, but nonetheless, let's do it, what they tell us. So if you go to, if I'm not mistaken, it's not here. No, in here. I think it's to also use the linter. So later on, I'm going to explain how to use it. But for what I know, okay, I can just say npm run lint, and is already going to complain about this, so I don't know why we need to add this, but yeah. So as you see, what went wrong? Oh, sorry, not here in the project. So I don't know why we need this, but yeah. So now what I am also going to do is to put ident size 4 for me, because that's how I like. And yeah, you just need to be consistent and choose your style. So this is mine, and I'm going to put these changes. So initial config. And yeah, we are ready to start.